Hi, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the basic knit stitch. So I have been knitting every stitch of every row, and this is called garter stitch. Okay, so every pattern will have a knit stitch, so this is the very basic stitch that you need to learn when knitting. So taking our needle now, we are going to place the needle behind the loop of the stitch we're going to be working. We're going to pop the needle in at diagonal, so I'll show you there. Okay, so the needle is in at the back and then through the stitch at a diagonal, and we're going to take our working yarn and we're going to wrap the yarn around the bottom needle, bringing it to rest between the two needles here, and then we're going to pull the bottom needle back, and then it comes back through the front and it rests at the side of your loop, and then we're going to just pull up and off, and that creates your very first knit stitch. So we go through it again slowly. So taking your needle to the side of the loop at the back here, pop the needle through the loop at an angle, okay, bringing the working yarn around, resting the yarn between the two needles here, pulling the bottom needle back and back through to the front so it rests at the side of the loop, and pull up and off, and that creates your second knit stitch. Okay, so we'll do another one together now. So needle through the back of the loop at a diagonal, show you from a different angle here. Okay, wrap your yarn around the needle, resting it between the two needles, pull the bottom needle back and up through the front and up and off, and that creates your third knit stitch. So let's do another one together. So pop your needle at the back of the loop, pop the needle through at a diagonal, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the needle back, pop the needle back through to the front and up and off. I'll show you again. So needle at the back of the loop, pop the needle through the stitch at a diagonal, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the needle back and back through to the front, resting at the side of that working loop, and pull up and off, and that creates your knit stitch. So I really hope this tutorial has helped with your basic knit stitch, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to the channel for further crochet and knitting tutorials, and I shall see you in the next video.